In this video, I'll show you how to use the Replit AI agent to build an app. Start by signing into your Replit account and click Create App from your dashboard. Next, choose AI App Builder or Build with AI Agent, depending on the version of Replit you're using. After that, describe the app you want to build using a detailed prompt. For example, explain what the app should do, the features you want, the design, and any integrations you need. Now click Generate and wait while the Replit AI agent creates your project. Next, review the generated application, including the code, user interface, and project structure. After that, use the AI chat panel to request changes. You can ask the AI agent to add new features, redesign the interface, fix bugs, connect APIs, or improve the functionality of your app. Now test your application by clicking Run. Interact with the app and verify that everything works as expected. Next, continue chatting with the AI agent to refine your project until you're satisfied with the results. After that, save your changes and use the built-in preview to test the app on different devices if needed. Finally, click Deploy to publish your application and share the live link with your users. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use the Replit AI agent to build an app. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.